and welcome to UC Today. My name is Kieran Devlin and today's session is the big UC partner update for ULAP. I'm delighted to be joined by Ryan Perry, General Manager at ULAP. Ryan, thanks for joining us.
Thank you very much, Kieran, for having me. I appreciate the opportunity to speak with you and the community on these topics around 2024.
I'm looking forward to it. But before we dive specifically into what ULAP's partners are getting up to, the trends, the challenges, and the solutions ULAP is producing for them, can you please tell us a little bit about yourself, Ryan, and the work you do with ULAP?
Sure, absolutely. As the GM in North America, I head up the domestic business unit for ULAP Networks. And for those who don't know, ULAP is providing smart cloud services across the globe, primarily to companies with international teams that need to work in emerging markets and drive efficiencies. So I have recently joined ULAP from Zoom Video, and just attended an exciting Enterprise Connect show with everybody and colleagues there. I'm focused on building the business in the U.S. because what's happening organically is our clients are actually asking us from the U.S., from their headquarters in the U.S., to help them with their digital transformation journey, which involves connecting and collaborating with all of their clients and all of their staff around the world.
Perfect. Well, I think that you leverage that expertise that you have there in this global partnerships that are taking place. And I guess beginning with the trend side of things, 2024 has already seen such radical change, even barely 3 months into the year. What are the biggest trends impacting ULAP's partners right now?
Yeah, that's a great question. And everywhere you look, especially at the Enterprise Connect show and in the press, you'll see AI and customer experience or CCaaS, and I'm not going to talk about those because there's plenty of information out there on that, and we've been addressing those trends for the past couple of years. And what we're seeing now, though, is our clients are bringing up their biggest concerns and their budget plans for this year, and they're consistently bringing up three things. They're bringing up choice, control, and cost as their top priorities. I think as we enter this new global economic climate, I think that makes sense, and so we're happy to be able to support that. And let me get into those three just briefly. The first thing, clients want to retain the control that they've always had over their telco and SBC services, even as cloud and hybrid cloud and local cloud get brought up. And what's new is that they're certainly demanding all that to be on one bill with one support contract and one partner who can help them sort that out. And why are they doing that? I think it's because it's getting so tricky to navigate just the plethora of market-specific compliance requirements, especially when they're trying to tap into these global talent pools and reduce their OpEx. They still need to somehow retain that control, right? And they've got to do it while supporting the ever-adapting kind of changing work environments, whether it's working from home, working remotely, working hybridly, or returning to the office. All of that gets compounded when you throw these really heavy UC and CX SaaS workloads all around the globe, right? And workers around the globe have hybrid offices. They work from home, they work from the mobile environment. So the other thing that clients are asking for, the other trend we're seeing is choice, right? Even though they need to retain that control, they need the compliance, they need choice at the same time. And so that means choice of UC, choice of SVC, choice of telco, choice of CX. They're choosing their own DX journey path, right? And so as they continue that digital transformation journey, they want to deploy their app of choice as markets dictate. That's one trend we're seeing. Or the other trend is they want to support multiple options concurrently. And this is fairly new, right? And they want to achieve that. They do that so they can achieve 100% uptime and with their CRM and CX applications. So one of our largest global clients has worked with us to blaze a trail in this area, whereby they use the multiple CRM vendors to achieve the 100% uptime if one of them were to go down. And they also are looking for real-time performance with both their CX and CRM applications. So that's an exciting trend to have choice, right? And then the final trend we're seeing is that clients want to reduce their cost and complexity. At the same time as they're going global or more global, and changing and adopting different clouds, they want to definitely reduce their cost, and they want to know that layoffs are not the only answer. I mean, this is staggering statistics in 2024 around layoffs as looking like the default answer for sustaining their viable business for the next year or two. But they are not the only answer. And so what we're seeing is that clients are looking to right size their budgets and right size their tech stacks, but do it in a way that reduces complexity and costs. And sometimes that means reducing the number of vendors or partners they work with. So one of our clients, another large global entity, is looking to save, they're asking us to help them save $1 million. That's their mission, and we're well on our way already this year. So that's pretty exciting. And the other insight we're seeing is that they want to use these found OpEx savings, and they want to repurpose them into differentiation initiatives, which gets back to automation, AI, digital journey transformation, and hybrid work.
Perfect. And I guess my next question, there was a bit of some overlap there, and I'm curious maybe if you can explore in some more detail. But the challenges ULAP's partners are facing at the moment, I understand cost will probably be one that features in both answers with the economic uncertainty facing the markets at the moment. But if you can please give us some examples of the types of challenges your guys' partners are facing.
Well, and let me just be clear, when we're talking partners, we're typically looking at our clients, right, our customers. We do have ecosystem partners, and we lean heavily on those ecosystem partners to be the best of breed in their area. But what our customers are looking for when we talk about the control, the choice, and the cost initiatives and the trends that they're trying to achieve, they've got serious pressure, mounting pressure like they've never had before, to do all of this work and to bring all of these cloud services into their plans and to do it with reduced staff, right? And so it's a real challenge to have. We've heard single pane of glass for years now, but to have that single pane of glass experience is crucial if you're going to be able to manage 120 different offices around the globe with 2 or 3 staff members, which is what we're helping facilitate some of our clients to do.
And I guess you've addressed the challenges, the trends that your customers and clients are facing, and we get to the fun and exciting stuff, the solutions that ULAP is producing to address those challenges and address those trends. Can you please give us some insights into ULAP's product roadmap? What kind of features, updates, upgrades that you're bringing to customers over the next 12 months or so?
Yeah, it's an exciting time there. It's moving very, very rapidly. But I'm happy to share just a couple key elements that contribute to the some successes with our partners and our clients, and to help them be more agile and nimble when they look at their network deployments, right? And so one of the first key ingredients is around speed, right? How do we achieve speed? And speed equates to cost savings, right? Because if you do more in less time with less resources, you'll meet that requirement. And the way we achieve speed is through our Smart Exchange. We call it the ULAP Smart Exchange, which is it's a unique approach that empowers leading SaaS partners such as Zoom, NICE, Teams, and others, right? It empowers them with a competitive edge in these high growth markets. And the way we do it is through strategic integrations and optimizations, right? We've been working with these partners for years and deployed globally with massive Fortune 100 companies in a way that helps them guarantee the performance on top of their internet pipes, right? And so, our roadmap in speed area provides even deeper customizations. We continue to look at the new services and APIs and toolkits that our partners are offering, and we keep building to those and provide feedback and work with them to optimize those. And we're even working at other layers too, with the telecoms and the cloud platforms, and then combine it with the national regulators to optimize, the SaaS application performance specifically. Another key to success is, on top of speed, would be reach, right? We're actively, pursuing these new bilateral relationships, and we're securing new telecom licenses, all to expand our geographic, footprint and access more reliable infrastructure. I mean, it's an impressive feat that we've been able to accomplish, all around the world, from the Middle East and Africa to all across Asia. It's not just about servicing customers in one market or another. It's connecting all of these and somehow tying them together with reliability and security and compliance. And then I think the final area where we're focused on is more partnering and more integration, because the tech stacks are becoming pretty massive and extremely important. When you talk about an omni-channel partnership, there are multiple legs to that relationship. And so, ULAP is not doing it all, but we focus our roadmap elements and our roadmap investments where we can achieve the best experience. And then we partner and integrate very deeply, as I said before, with some of the best of breed AI-powered solutions out there. And we're looking both at technical partnerships and also go-to-market and support partnerships, as well as we work with companies, with customers and employees in 100 plus countries around the world.
Perfect. Well, it's an exciting time to be a ULAP customer, especially with the next year ahead. I think that's all we've got time for today, but I've really enjoyed today's session, so thank you, Ryan, for being here.
Thank you for having me. Appreciate it.
And if you enjoyed this video, please give us a like and share on social media, and we'll see you next time. I've been Kieran, Devlin, UC today. Thanks for watching.